So what do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Once I started, I didn't stop. Excited!
The guys that are starving, they're hungry.
Presenting Meet the Drapers.
Welcome back to Meet the Drapers. This is our finale! Wow! Awesome! Let's take a look at what the entrepreneurs are doing behind the scenes.
Isabel. KJ. I don't know what judges.
No, I'm one of the guest judges.
We're using the locals, the superhosts, and basically hacking Airbnb's community of superhosts, and we offer to profit share with them.
It's high volume, or is it the other way around?
It's actually the other way around.
Targeting landlords who cannot get their home to the market. When we call people, the conversation went from, hold on, isn't Pillow just calling me and doing it, to like people who have never heard of Airbnb. So like it completely changed the market when we saw them. It's like, hold on, we need to focus on this.
So we got 6 judges. It's a party here today. This ought to be great fun. And I want to thank you, the viewers, because you've made my life so much easier. You helped me choose. These 5 other judges are going to help me make those decisions. Judges. So Stephen, a $35 million pink diamond.
It's actually 32 million. Who's counting?
Oh, okay.
But who's counting?
You can tell which of our judges is going to be very particular about the numbers.
That's true. That's true.
Well, good. So tell us what you look for as an entrepreneur. You're an entrepreneur yourself.
Yeah.
You built a fabulous enterprise. Some of my money, too.
A little bit.
Yeah.
You've been a good customer.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Not an investor, but a good customer. No, I started my company with $3,000, a dream about how I could change what was conventional about our industry. What I'll be looking for is obviously the passion and the excitement that I'll try to pick up from the entrepreneur, but also I'll look for diving in a little bit to see if they really have what it takes, because there'll be days, weeks, months, and possibly years where it's going to be a grind. And if you don't have the dedicated passion about what it is that you're doing, you'll get left in the dust. There's just too much competition out there. So
terrific. Well, great to see what our judges look like. I think this is going to work out very well. We have a wide variety of perspectives, and I think we're up for seeing a few entrepreneurs. What do you think? All right, bring on the entrepreneurs.
Here are some updates since our last episode. We launched on Republic and had the fastest raise of any Meet the Drapers startup, hitting our 50K benchmark in...
Hooray!
that was great.
We also won New York City's Brandathon, which allowed us to discover a new brand identity that will better captivate our audiences, and we're super excited to rebrand.
Since 500 startups, we've raised $900K at $8 million valuation, and we're profitable. We're raising to increase our landlord onboarding and reduce our CapEx.
Tell me, I've got some property over here, and sometimes it's empty and sometimes it's full. Usually when the students are there, it's full, and when they're not, it's empty. Why would I hire you rather than using Airbnb?
Because you need to get your home furnished, because you're busy growing the Draper brand and you don't have time to furnish your home and put it on Airbnb and all that goes into it.
So you do the furnishing and the leasing.
Yes.
And I don't have
And
to
the
worry
management.
about
You just get a
anything,
check.
and you
That's
manage
it.
it.
So you own the lease between the owner and your company, and that guarantees the owner their money every month.
Every month, yep.
And then it's up to you to either make money or lose money against that lease. Is that correct?
Yes, we take that lease. We're lease lords.
And then
we
you
take that lease
and then you
we make money from it.
partnered with other subcategories to do things like furnish the place, manage the place, and so on and so forth.
That's correct. So after taking the home and guaranteeing the landlord, we then list it on Airbnb, which provides us a 50% upside on after our rental cost. From then on, we provide 10% to the superhost, and then we keep about our profit range around 24 to 30%.
How do you vet the superhost to be effective for you so you don't destroy your business.
We hacked the system.
Hacked Airbnb system. Obviously, we could go to VRBO and they have, excellent hosts there, but Airbnb puts a little badge next to their name and also allows you to connect with them. So we can find them pretty easily on Airbnb, and now they're actually started, they learned about us, so many of them are coming on, onboarding onto our website, and so we don't even have to look at them. But we can easily see their reviews and see the experience.
Airbnb basically vetted them for you.
But how do you get enough tenants? How do you choose the real estate to buy the lease so that you can then, make sure that that thing is going to be full and it's way below market and all that?
That's where the tech that I said earlier, the scoring comes to us. And we target homes with 30% margin before we take the home.
Are you cash flow positive?
Yes.
So why raise any money? It seems like it's a machine.
To grow faster, right? The industry is growing at a pace, and we haven't even figured out what the pie is going to be. So with that money, we're going to increase our onboarding, which we have a CapEx of bringing homes on, and then increase our technology and make it better. Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming to meet the Drapers.
Thank you so much.
It's terrific.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Once I get in that mode where it's like, okay, I have to get my message out there, I have to share it, I have to let people know that, I'm just having fun, even though it's difficult. It was just easy, and I was in the mode.
I think they create a very inviting atmosphere, where you just feel like, it's a conversation. So that really helps.
Every one of these companies, it's getting better and better and better. It's crazy.
I like these guys. It's kind of getting a margin on somebody else's business in a way.
If I own a home in Palm Springs, we'll use that as an example, and the damn thing sits vacant 6 months of the year or 3 months of the year,
Let us know. We'll go.
Yeah, absolutely. And these guys will take all that pressure off me. I'll give them a 5-year deal, never to worry about that, knowing that I have, as an owner, have that check. I don't care what they do as long as my property isn't destroyed.
Yeah, and it'll be better taken care of because somebody will be there.
Absolutely.
As judges of Meet the Drapers, we would like you to become honorary Drapers. So, Stephen and Chuck and KJ.
And you can refuse.
You are now a part of the Draper family, and we appreciate all that you do for our family. So welcome to the Drapers, and we're going to have to now decide. We're good.
All the entrepreneurs are
Really good.
I think, the great thing about this is it's the finale. And they are all really, they got to the top.
How do you choose?
By the way, you people out there, you choose well. These were 6 really great companies. But Steve, it's on you, man.
Medical girls thing.
I think that my number one, Vacayo.
I am,
But you have to.
eventually I have to do something. What's a mother to do? I'm stumped. We're going to figure this out when we bring them all back.
So I really hope we win because we flew from New York totally last minute. I dumped my 2 kids with my nanny. Yeah. This is it.
This is it.
So, welcome back to Meet the Draper. I love the passion I saw in each and every one of you. There is really something here. You're going out there, you're going to make incredible changes in the world, and we are so excited about all the things that you're doing. I will give you the audience's responses. The audience has come up with Vacayo. Congratulations, finalists. Good job. All right, so congratulations, judges. We've done quite well. We'll see you next season on Meet the Drapers. Woo!